Good Friday evening, family. This is Natty with Simply Me Journey Well. Family, I got a couple of unboxing to do. Some things that I purchased that I feel that is necessary for the homestead. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright, family. Do you guys know what these are? Home Jenny's clothespin, 50. I think I paid about $6, $6.50 at the most for them. They wood clothespin, something that I need. And I also bought something else. So let's shoot this. These are caddies. These are called shower caddies for the bathroom. And I was gifted a shower caddy during when I did my housewarming party, but it was it didn't work for the shower. So I desperately need a soap holder. This is black, and I can put whatever is hanging, whatever on the side of that. And I definitely need this here. And it comes with this thing here you put against the wall and you had to hook it on there. So that comes with this here. So shower, soap holder. We have more of these here. Stick on the wall. Okay, they gave me got 4 and then a small one. Well, more than that. Okay, this is great. Got 5 of those. And I have two more shelves. Wall. This is to go in the bathroom to hang my soap, shower stuff. This is one here. It feels okay. I would say it's okay. It's black metal. And you go to the other basket. Let me see. I think one's bigger than the other one. Let's see. Yeah, one just a little bigger than the other one. One can fit inside the other one. So, and these things here, like what put my shampoo and stuff like that in them. Basket. They're supposed to hold up to 50 pounds, I believe. And yeah, this is something I need in the shower because the little things that I have on the shower, they don't hold my soap and stuff. The soap slides right off, and it's just too much. So I'm going to take time out probably tomorrow and hang these up tomorrow. Not going to do it tonight. But this is for the shower, for the shower caddies to put my shampoo, stuff like that, body wash, that type of stuff. And this one here is for the soap. I like this because I like soap. Yeah, I buy soap versus the body wash stuff. So this is one unboxing I have right here. And make my life a little bit easier on the homestead. Alright, now this here is something else I bought. I want you all to see this. Got it from into my Home Depot. I ordered this through Amazon. Let's see which way we're gonna put in this box here. And okay, this is the box. Let's get this out the way. Now I haven't done an unboxing in a minute, so this is the top. One thing I kind of hate ordering from Amazon. Amazon now have they'll start sending you stuff people to return, and that's what I'm kind of getting nearer with dealing with Amazon. Because if I buy something new that I want it to be new, I don't want it to be used. I don't want something that somebody else can return. All right, let's get this out of the box. Let's see what this is. Okay, we need to pull it off the wall. Whoa, okay. Look at this here. Okay. Yeah. Well, Yeah, this is nice. It has its own bag. I wonder what this could be. It has its own bag. I like this. Bag feel cheap. Yeah, feel like a cheap bag. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. Family, can you all think about what this could be? Whoa. Okay, let me cut this here. Alright, make that a little bit easier on myself. Alright, this is one part of the secret. Now it's for me sending me some other little stuff in here. I don't see it. Okay. Something coming with other little things. Let me see. Nothing else in this here. This here that you had to package in the box. Looks empty to me. I'm expecting something else with this package. Okay, let's see what this is. Be careful. What? You got this on. Put that back. Wow, look at all of this stuff here. This contraption. Voila! Check this out, family. Umbrella clothes drying rack. Yep. Umbrella clothes drying rack. Looky here, looky here. Well, I'm not gonna put this joker together. Yeah, I got this from Amazon. And let's see what else they got here. They got me a little package right here. This is what I was expecting. Let me see. Okay, got some little goodies in this thing here. Alright. So this is for, check this out. You can hang this up for my clothespins. Yeah, they gave me a clothespin bag. And this is by Tortage Manic. Okay, this is for my clothespin. And looks like they got some more stuff in here. Wrists, not for children. I don't think it's for children. Ooh, these are good rubber bands, y'all. Good, strong rubber bands. You know, you can always use rubber bands. You can always use extra rubber bands. Okay, let's talk about my health update. So I have been going to Houston for the last couple of weeks, going to do my well woman checkup, mammogram, heart, and all that kind of stuff. So I have been going in and out of Houston. Well, I went Wednesday, had 2 doctor's appointments Thursday, and I returned back home this morning, back to Houston, back to Oakdale this morning. And okay, check this out. They give me some clothespins. Well, how cute is that? They red, they plastic. Yeah. So a little clothespin. Go in the basket, in the stack. Yeah. I'm gonna put thing out for you. I'm gonna put, where I'm putting it. Oh, okay, here's a hook thing here. So I guess you hang that out there on the thing, and I had bought the wood pins because I'm used to wood, and I bought the wood pins. So, okay, let's see. Okay, family, y'all see this here? See all the little wire things? I don't know how to put it together. I haven't read it, but I just wanted you all to see my my new clothes line that I'm going to be using out here, because there's some clothes that I have that I really prefer not to put in the wash machine, and always been like that. Like I like to hang out some certain clothes, and especially when I buy brand new clothes. If you notice, if you buy brand new clothes, once you start putting your stuff in the wash machine, and that stuff gets old fast. It gets old so fast. So I'm assuming this is the bottom part. So I have to read this instructions and put it together. I'm assuming this here, but I'm not gonna assume. Oh, I'm not gonna put it together, family. But this is my new clothesline that's going outside. This is the bottom. I'm assuming this is the bottom. Yeah, not assuming. This is the bottom. This is the top, and it flares out. I think I have like 8 lines or something. Oof. And okay, 1. Locate and revert. Yeah, I'm not gonna put this together. And you can fold it back and put it back in the bag. That's why you have a bag. Umbrella closed drying rack. And this is gonna be used for outside. A, B, C is the pins, D is the thing, and E is the bag. So I got the bag, the pins. They gave me a little pin, starter pin, little bag for my pins in, and I have coat so I can put it when I'm not in use. I can put it up and keep it dry and in a good place. And yeah, this is going to be very, very useful. Very useful. But like I said, I would love to be able to oh, here we go. Look at that. I would love to be able to hang my clothes out. And that's why I went ahead on to purchase this here, because I'll be able to hang my clothes out on the outside like I need to. And yeah, I go to the laundromat. I go to wash clothes at the laundromat. I do that. Let's see. 1 is the top part. 2 is flaring it out. 3 is this here. That part. 4 is opening it out. Okay, push up. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, I know that we gotta get this thing up and I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be bothered later. Okay. I need to read the instructions. So we're gonna leave it at this here. And tomorrow I'm gonna work on it. This is an umbrella closed drying rack. And this is what I got. That's what this is. And let me see if I can see who it's made by. Okay, I'm not representing what is this place? Amazon, anybody else. This is stuff that's I'm buying on my own. And this rack cost me about $70. It's from wherever out of the country. Let's see. E-Simple. Got Kansas E-Simple company. But I did order from online from Amazon. And this is going to be my clothes hanging rack for outside. Let me step back so y'all can see it. I'm not going to pull it out completely. But that's my clothes hanging rack. Okay, that's what I'm going to be hanging my clothes outside on this thing here. One once I get it and lock it in and all that stuff, I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. You know, I don't know what flares out or opens out. Oh, okay. Hey, let's pull this back. So this part here, you pull the little top part back. So y'all can see it. See what I'm pulling back. Okay. So I'm pulling this in. These are stepping levers here. When you pull them out, each one, you got 4. Look at here. Here, family. Oh, yeah. Okay. But this down here at the bottom is not. Oh. Okay. We on to something here? Okay, family. Y'all got the idea, right? Oh, wow. It's kind of small, really. Let me see, I don't know. I'm sure stuff locks in, but I'm going to have to read the instructions to see what lock in where. But, yeah, affordable, okay, I stretched that out with my feet. Portable, clothesline. Y'all, this is small for $70, okay? I think I need more. Do I have it right? Oh, it should be upside down. It should be the other way. So I guess when I extend this upwards, let me see. Okay, oops. I guess I have to read and figure it out. Fold and remove after use, of course. So, yeah. Yeah, I have to read this thing to figure out how to use it, okay? But, see how I pull the lock in or whatever. Well, I'm gonna pull that from big jump cover. Okay, well, y'all get the gist, right? Put this on here. Well, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna close this back up. This is a portable line, clothesline, and so far it's not too bad for the first way it's made. Not too bad. I'm putting it back in. I'm putting it in this bag here, the black bag. Put it back in the bag. But it's gonna come in handy. It's gonna come in handy a lot, quite a bit. It will be used well. Trust me on that. And I'm not going to. Let's see if I can close this up. Oh, okay. Close this back up. Put this in here, and yeah, like so. So I'm gonna put this back in here, so when I'm ready to use it, I'll when I'm ready to use it, let's make sure there's nothing in here. Nope. When I'm ready to use it won't be a problem. Once I read my instructions and learn how to lock it in and secure it, then that'll be great. That'll be great. Because it's something, like I say, some things I prefer not to put in the laundry, in the dryer. You know, you have some things that cost a bit more money than other things. And if you put these things in the dryer, yeah, these are cheap pins. Cheap. Yeah, I don't feel like they're going to hold anything. Y'all see that? So here go my little bag. The bag has a little little thing like that. You just hang it on the thing. And here go my pens. Pens are fairly plastic. Plastic. I don't know what they're gonna hold. They don't feel like they're gonna hold up 2 seconds. And that's me. So that's why I went here on and I invest in these here. That feel a whole lot more stronger. Hate the wood ones. So I invest in the wood ones. And all this stuff is going back in this bag right here. And I just wanted to do an unboxing, show you all the things I purchased for the homestead. This clothesline thing is gonna come in handy a lot because I wash every 2 weeks, and there's some things I like to be able to wash and put on, wash and hang out, and I'll be able to do that even in the winter time. I'll be able to wash and hang out. Come, family. I'm going to move this stuff here. I'm gonna take y'all outside for a second. Y'all can see what it looks like at night out here. Let me see. Okay. Okay, family. This is the evening time here in the homestead. This is what it looks like out here. Let me see how much y'all get to see. Okay, walking out. My little lights are on. See the little pathway over there with the lights on the ground. So yep, let's let y'all see what it looks like in the evenings out here. Beautiful. Over there by the garden. I got a light over there. Light on the side. My little lights there. The porch. Right there underneath those my planters. Before it gets too dark. I have a light over here on the table. And soon this little black pole is going to be put up, set up. Oh, there goes the light right there. That's just there. I need to fix that. My brother, he cleaned up that little, oh, yeah. Forgot about this light here, right? Yeah, my brother, he cleaned up that little pathway over there. So in the pathway, I'm able to walk through there now because he cleaned it all up. So I can walk back there and go through his place. He cut all the grass and stuff. Yeah, now I'm going to be shaking around because I'm holding this tripod in my hand with the camera. Just kind of letting y'all see what it looks like at night out here. It's beautiful, what? Serene, peaceful. It's quiet in the neighborhood. Let me step back so I see what the cabin looks like with the little lights on at night. Yeah. Yeah, I'm enjoying my little cabin. I'll tell you, I'm enjoying every moment of it. I'm gonna get some pictures, some plants to put in these pots down here soon. Yeah, I'm gonna get some plants. I just haven't decided on what kind of plants I want yet, but I will be doing that. Back into the house. Nice and cozy in here. Feels great. Yeah, I pretty much keep everything straight and organized in here. I pretty much keep it straight, organized. I gotta take my shower so I can go and close up that thing in the back. So yeah, I need to take my shower. But I closed up the little hole back there for the septic tank or the water thing to run out. I closed that up. So once I have my shower, I'm gonna go out there and put the cap back on there so that no rabbits and squirrels won't crawl up in my pipes. Them little jokers, I have them out here. I have rabbits, squirrels, deer. One of my brother come earlier, I seen a dog. A big dog running through your pathway there. Did he mess with your corn? No. Y'all, I have 25 ears of corn growing. 25. I have about 7 watermelons. I see about 3 cucumbers coming up. Look like my little tiny potatoes is almost ready to come up because the leaves are turning brown and stuff. So they're getting yellow and brown, so I think they're about ready to come up. Once I got small potatoes in the ground, so they're about ready to come up. My lettuce is beautiful. My lettuce looking good. So I think I might start pulling off the lettuce this week. And my little tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, they're doing great. When you pull one off, like a whole bunch of green ones coming up. So my little food's coming up nice, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Hi fam, this is Ned Simply Journey. I don't want to keep y'all much longer. Just want to show y'all an unboxing of my umbrella clothes rack and my bathroom soap caddy, dish for soap and whatever caddy. I'll be putting those up tomorrow. But this is Ned Simply Journey. I'm not going to keep you guys much longer about your journey. Y'all take your journey, family. Y'all be blessed.